Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change voice using AI using CapCut. So we are going to use voice changer. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using CapCut. So you can create account on it, and then on left side you see AI tool. So click on it. So we are in AI tool section, and then you see multiple option. Now you see voice changer. Change your voice while keeping the tone and emotion. So click on it. So we are in voice changer, and then you see drop an audio or video file. File size up to 50 MB and 15 minutes. Or if you want, you can start recording. Now you see option, but we are going to select file. So click on it. So we select this video. So you can select audio or video and then click on open. Now uploading. Now you see 47 seconds, and then you see option delete, upload new, record new, and then you see click the generate button to get your audio right away. Got it? And then you see select a voice library 69, all voice character we have. So you can select according to requirement, and then you see preview 5 seconds. So you can select any. So click on it, and then you see we select this option. So you can select option or voice according to requirement, and then you can preview it 5 seconds, and then click on generate. Now generating. Now you see generate done. So you can play it, and then you see download. So click on it, video only and video and caption. So you can select option according to requirement. So we select video only. So you can download with caption also, and then click on save. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.